making an important delivery of 2 Kinder eggs. But something got in his way. Uh-oh, it's a dinosaur! Thomas was petrified. The dinosaur could smell something. It could see Thomas's eggs. No, those eggs aren't for you. But the dinosaur thought that these were its eggs, and that Thomas had stolen them. Thomas saw his opportunity to escape, and he hid in the tunnel. Oh no, I need to get those eggs back, but I'll need help. Nearby, Chase and Marshall were on the lookout for danger. Oh, Thomas is hiding in a tunnel. Is he alright? I'll go and check on him. Okay, I'll stay here on the lookout for danger. So Chase went over to Thomas. What is Thomas hiding from? Oh no, it's a dinosaur! I must warn Chase! So Marshall ran after Chase. Are you alright, Thomas? No! Look behind you! Huh? Ah! Ah! Let me in! Oh no, I'm too late! I need to distract the dinosaur. Ah! I have an idea! And he left to get the help of a couple of friends. Oh, we're going to be stuck in here for ages. Maybe not. Look! They distracted the dinosaur. But where's Marshall gone? Over there! Look! He's getting an egg back! To keep it safe, Marshall opened it. Robin was inside. The dinosaur was very angry that one of its eggs had been taken. So it guarded the last one very carefully. But Thomas had a plan. He collected the dinosaur's real egg. The dinosaur stayed with this one, and Chase recovered the other egg. Thanks for the help, guys. No problem, Thomas, but I'd open that last egg if I were you. So Chase opened it. Margot was inside. So the contents of the eggs were safe and Thomas could continue with his delivery.
Let's get closer. Oh yeah. Woohoo, woo, woo! Closer. Closer. What? Closer. No, not too close. Woo! Whoa, whoa, whoa! No! Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Must get help. Ryder! Friend! Fell in the lake!
Oh no! Quick! Let's get to the lookout tower so I can call the pups. Pups! And Minion.
Hello, hi.
We have an emergency. A minion has fallen into the lake and we need to rescue him. Zuma, go on Thomas to the lake with the minion and dive into the water. Let's go! Oh no! There's an egg on the track! Hold on!
Thomas, stop! There's a toy!
Minion, come on! We need to go!
Wait, stop!
Oh, what now? Minion!
Yes, Thomas?
Eating chocolate?
No, Thomas?
Telling lies?
No, Thomas?
Open wide! No, come on, stop eating!
I'm coming!
Oh no! I think I have a bit of chocolate stuck in my engine. How are we ever going to get to the lake now? Percy to the rescue! Yay! Thanks, Percy.
Thanks for saving me, Zuma.
No problem, Minion. Paw Patrol is always happy to help. Hey guys, Chris here. Thanks for watching my video featuring Zuru's Robo Alive Jr. Little Fish. It's a really cool toy which swims in real water.
Thomas and Percy were working together. They had to deliver a huge pile of logs. Wow, look at all of those logs, cried Percy. It's a good job we're strong engines, said Thomas. Yeah, agreed Percy. Look how many I can carry. Oh yeah, challenged Thomas. He loaded more into his trucks. Percy wasn't going to be outdone, so he loaded some really heavy logs into his truck. But Thomas wanted to look stronger, so he loaded even more logs into his truck. But Percy was very competitive, so he loaded all of the other logs into his truck. Percy? That's not safe, they're going to fall out, cried Thomas. Oh, you're just jealous, said Percy, and off he went. Oh, this isn't going to end well, thought Thomas, so he left too. Unfortunately, their journey featured a very dangerous path over rough, rocky water. As Percy went around it, the logs became unstable. Until one fell out. It blocked the track, and Thomas was close behind. He couldn't stop in time. Oh dear. And to make things worse, a large wave crashed over him. And pulled him into the water. Oh no! Luckily, Percy heard the whistle. That sounds like Thomas, he thought, so he rushed back. Oh no, Thomas, are you alright? He asked. No, you dropped a log onto the track and made me crash, he cried. Percy felt really bad, so he called for help. We have an emergency call from Percy, cried Harold. Thomas has fallen into some rough water. Captain, we'll need you. And Flynn, bring Rocky. He'll need to pull Thomas out. So they rushed off. Captain soon arrived. Don't worry, Thomas, we'll get you out in no time, he said. Flynn and Rocky then arrived. Hold on, Thomas, I'll pull you out, said Rocky, and he got to work. Thank you everyone, said Thomas. No problem, they replied. Happy to help, added Captain. And Thomas, I'm sorry about the logs, said Percy. Sir Topham Hatt then arrived. Thomas, are you okay? he asked. Yes, I'm fine now, said Thomas. That's good. Now, Percy, don't try to pull too much. Not everything is a competition. Yes, sir. Sorry, sir, apologised Percy. Good. Now, you two. Those logs aren't going to deliver themselves. So the two engines secured their logs and completed their delivery.
Yar! Arr, Captain! Mateys! I found a map! It leads to long-lost treasure! Come on, this way!
He had hidden it in a colourful egg for safekeeping.
Huh?
But he couldn't remember whether he had hidden it in the red egg, the green egg, or the yellow egg.
The red egg. Aye, aye, Captain. It be empty. Yes, I meant the green egg. Got it. Look, treasure. How will we get there, Captain? By train. Quick, jump. Here we are. Jump. Where are we? Back at the eggs.
Oh, fiddle faddle.
Oh, let's try again. Jump. Jump. Ah, yes. Onwards. Aye, aye, Captain. Treasure! Treasure! Uh-oh! Watch out! Fire the cannon! Aye, aye, Captain! Uh-oh! Shark attack! Ah! Whoa! Whoa! Oof. Ah! Help! Help!
Luckily, Marshall, Ryder and Chase were looking out for danger in the lookout tower. Oh no, some pirate minions are being attacked by a shark. This is a good opportunity to try out the new pirate boats. So the pup slid down to the ground, changed into gear, and headed over to their boats.
Help! Abandon ship!
The ship sank.
Uh-oh.
There are the minions! Quick, minions, swim over here while I distract the shark.
Okay. Phew!
The shark swam away.
Yeah, and stay away.
What were you guys doing in such dangerous water anyway?
Treasure!
Ooh, exciting. We'll help you find it. So the pups followed the map. And they found the treasure. They took it to the shore and opened it.
Well, hey! Candy! Yeehaw! Candy for everyone.
Sometimes Gordon's Express can't hold all of the passengers, so Thomas has to help out with Annie and Clarabelle. It had been so busy that Thomas had had to help Gordon out every day for the past few weeks. And Thomas really enjoyed it. But one day there was trouble. Thomas hadn't turned up for work. Percy arrived.
Hi Gordon, busy day again today? Yes, Percy, so I need Thomas to pick up the few remaining passengers. But he's late. What? But Thomas is never late. Well, he is today, so if you see him, tell him to hurry up.
And off Gordon went. Percy was worried. Thomas was never late, so he called Skye, Chase, Marshall and Rubble for help.
Guys, Thomas is late picking up the passengers, but he's always on time. Something must have happened to him.
I'll see if I can see him from up in the sky.
Can you see Thomas?
No, I don't think I can.
Where can he be? But then Chase heard something far away. I can hear something. Follow me. He took them to a tunnel. But the tunnel had been completely blocked from the back and the front. Thomas might be in there. Rubble, can you take this wall down? Yes, I can. And it didn't take him long. We need to go inside, but it's very dark in there. Don't worry, I have a torch on my helmet. So Marshall explored the tunnel. And came out with 2 funlings. You're not Thomas. What are you two doing in there?
Well, this morning we were out for a walk. We saw Percy fill up with water. And we also saw the Joker try and steal his cargo. So we were like, hey, you can't take that. And he was like, you didn't see anything. And we said, yes we did. We saw you try and take his cargo. And he said, I'll make sure you don't tell anyone. So he chased us. We ran into this tunnel. And he blocked us in.
Okay, but that doesn't explain where Thomas is.
Yeah, where could he be? Where could who be? Thomas! Where have you been? Well, I left my engine shed early this morning so I could go and pick up Annie and Clarabelle going the scenic route by the sea. It was lovely. Until I broke down and couldn't move. And my driver couldn't call for help because we were in the middle of nowhere. Luckily, McQueen was nearby on his morning drive. He bumped into me and I told him that I'd broken down. So he rushed off to get help. It wasn't long before I was working again. Well, you'd better hurry, Thomas. You're late picking up your passengers. Oh yes, I must go. And he dashed off to pick up Annie and Clarabelle so he could collect his passengers. So Thomas wasn't really lost, and everything was alright in the end.
Ah, Percy, exclaims the Topham Hatt. I'm glad you're here. Instead of doing your normal mail round today, I have a very special for you to do. Ooh, thank you, sir. What is it? Well, Percy, I need you to deliver these 3 geese to Farmer McColl's farm. Be extra careful with them. Remember, they're only birds. Yes, sir. Of course, sir. I'll be extra careful. I wouldn't want to hurt them. So Percy loaded up the geese in his empty truck and set off for Farmer McColl's farm. However, soon there was trouble. Tom Moss appeared and wanted to prank Percy. Just as Percy was travelling over a set of points, Tom Moss made his move. Huh? What was that? Oh, it's you, Tom Moss. I might have known. You shouldn't have done that. I had to be extra careful with these geese. In the crash, one of the boxes must have opened because one goose escaped. Oh no! One goose has escaped! Farmer McColl is not going to be happy with me. I must catch it. So Percy steamed off to try and catch the goose. Come back, Goose! Come back! Come back, Goose! Come back! Soon Percy was back at the post office. Oh, great, Percy! You delivered the geese to Farmer McColl. Well done! Well, no, I haven't. One of the geese escaped, and I've lost it. What? How did that happen? I told you to be extra careful. I was, sir. Tom Moss hit me, and they fell out of my truck. I'm sorry, sir. Farmer McColl's going to be angry, isn't he? Oh, Percy, it's not your fault. I thought it might have been Thomas. What are we going to do now? Then, suddenly, Sir Topham Hatt and Percy both heard a strange sound. That sounds like Percy, look at the roof of the post office. It's the missing goose. It must have followed you here. I'll call Paw Patrol. They'll help us get it down. And soon enough, Rubble showed up with his digger and crane. Don't worry, everyone. I'll get the goose down safely without hurting it. So Rubble grabbed the goose and carefully placed it into Percy's empty truck. Thank you, Rubble. Now, Percy, go and collect the other geese and deliver them to Farmer McColl. And if I ever catch Tom Moss, he's in big trouble.
What's wrong? I shouldn't have left that gate open in that field. Really, really silly. Big mistake. Well, it wasn't really a field. It was more like a zoo. Big mistake. Really silly. I shouldn't have left that gate open. So silly. Oh, and I shouldn't have left that trail of food leading straight to Tidmouth's sheds. So silly. Big mistake. I shouldn't have done that.
Hey, Toby. Why is there a trail of food next to the track?
Uh-oh, what's that noise?
Oh no! Those animals are heading straight for Tidmouth's shed.
Oh, if only the bat engine were here.
Oh yeah. Oh, I mean, got to go. Bye.
Oh yes, the bat engine's coming. I wonder what train the bat engine is. I feel that the number 5 on his tender is a big clue. Ah! What was that? Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Yay! The bat engine saved me! Thank you, bat engine. But who are you?
No one knows. Whoops.
James?
Oh, got to go. Save the day. Bye. Hey, Percy, why is there a trail of food leading straight to here? And what's that noise? Ah! Those zoo animals are heading straight for us! Look! It's the bat engine! He rescued all of the animals! The bat engine saved the day! Hip hip hooray!
That bat engine is a very brave engine, isn't he?
Yes, he is. He's our superhero.
And I know who it is.
Huh? Who is it, Toby?
I can't say. Hehehe.
What did I miss? You missed the bat engine saved the day, James.
Psst, James. You were very brave today. I thought, maybe I could be your sidekick?
Well, I guess most superheroes do have sidekicks. I wonder when we'll see Bat James and Toby save the day again.
The pups were hanging out with Ryder. So, what are we going to do today? Ryder said nothing. Ryder, are you okay?
What happened to Ryder?
Perhaps he's been kidnapped.
We've got to find him.
Chase, can you pick up his scent? I can try. It was working. Oh, I lost it because I can't smell anything other than smoke. Me too. Uh-oh. There was a huge fire nearby. We need to put it out so we can pick up Ryder's scent again. I'm on it.
It's working!
The fire was out. Well done, Marshall. Chase, can you smell Ryder now? No, I can't. What are we going to do? They were stuck. Those burnt trees look like they've been placed to form a shape.
I'll look at it from above.
And she changed into flying gear.
Yes, it is a shape. It's an arrow.
Where is it pointing to?
It's pointing to that tunnel over there.
Right, let's go in the tunnel. Hold on, Chase. That tunnel is dark and has a train track running through it. We need a train, really. Luckily, Thomas, Ryder is missing and we think he might be through that tunnel. Please could you help us? Of course. So the pups hopped into his trucks and they went through the tunnel. I can pick up Ryder's scent again. Follow the track, Thomas. But he couldn't follow it for long. Some pylons had fallen onto the track. I'll sort this out. And Rubble got to work fixing them. It didn't take him long. Well done, Rubble. So they continued following the scent. Stop! Are you sure he's here, Chase? Yes, absolutely. They had stopped just outside a McDonald's. Let's go in. Be careful, guys. So they headed in. Is that the kidnapper? Oh, hello, pups. Batman? I take it you're looking for Ryder.
Yes, where is he?
Look behind you. There he was. The pups were very happy to see him. They went outside. So you weren't kidnapped? No, Batman and I created the clues for you to follow, to test you. And you guys did fantastically. So the pups were relieved that Ryder was safe and had actually had a good time working together and following the clues. It had snowed on Sodor and the engines were very excited.
Oh, this is my favourite time of the year.
Sir Topham Hatt had an important job for Thomas.
Ah, Thomas! More snow is due tonight, so I'll need you to clear the tracks tomorrow using your snowplow.
Thomas was proud that Sir Topham Hatt had chosen him to do the job, but he hated wearing the snowplow. But he agreed to clear the tracks. That night, it snowed very heavily, and the track was soon covered in piles of snow. So Thomas left his shed to investigate where the biggest piles of snow were. Okay, now I know which bits of track to clear, I can go and get my snowplow. And he went back to his shed to put on the plough. But some engines were very eager to be out in the snow, like Henry. So he started his work early. But Thomas still hadn't cleared the track, and Henry didn't have a snowplow on. And he was heading towards the big piles of snow. Oh dear.
Uh-oh, I think I'm stuck.
He tried to move, but his wheels just slipped on the icy track.
Oh bother.
Luckily, Thomas was soon out with his snowplow. but he just covered Henry in even more snow. He was almost completely covered in snow. And Thomas just got on with his job. Eventually, he was almost done. Phew, that's a lot of work for one train. Oh, I missed a bit. He didn't realise it was Henry, until it was too late. Henry had fallen into the water. Henry! Oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't realise you were under there.
No problem, Thomas.
Don't worry, I'll get help. And he rushed off.
Please hurry.
Thomas soon returned. With Chomper and Buster. Don't worry, Henry, we'll get you out of there. And they got to work.
Phew! Thanks, guys.
No problem. Sorry again, Henry. Clearing up all of that snow is a big job for just one engine.
Yes, I agree. But what can we do?
You could ask Sir Topham Hatt for more help. They liked this idea. So the next day, Thomas wasn't the only one clearing the snow. James was helping him out. They worked really well together. And the snow was cleared away in no time. So engines without snowplows like Henry could easily get on with their jobs with no snow in the way.